welcome to Foodie. Today we're going to make some tropical rice, and it's going to be some long grain rice that we're going to flavor up a little bit with some coconut water and some pineapple juice, and it should be really nice and flavorful when we're all done. I'm going to make 1 cup of rice, and we always have a little bit of rice on hand here. This is a 20-pound bag. So what I've done with the rice, and this is really critical to really rinse it off. Very good. I let it soak a little bit just to make sure if it was cloudy, I rinsed it again. So I actually rinsed this maybe 3 or 4 times. You want to make sure you get all of that starch rinsed off of there so that your rice is nice and fluffy. And I guess it's probably similar to when I made the home fries with the potatoes. You rinse them off to get all that starch off of the home fried potatoes. I've rinsed my cup of rice, poured it into my cooking pot. I'm going to take I got a can of crushed pineapple. I'm going to pour it also in the strainer, save all the liquid out of there, and I don't know how much it's going to be, so let's measure this and see how much comes out. All right, good. So that was a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, and I got almost a full cup of pineapple juice. I didn't think I would get that much, so that's good. So let's go ahead and pour the 1 cup of pineapple juice. I've got a 16.9-ounce can of coconut water. I've tried this with coconut milk, and it just came out real sticky and starchy, and I didn't like the consistency of the rice. And I think it's because of the coconut milk. Add 1/2 cup of coconut water. Now, if you're doing this at home and you didn't quite have enough pineapple juice, or maybe not, that was a pretty big can of coconut water, you could easily substitute just water, or you could even use some orange juice or something like that. That'll still kind of make it tropical. So we're going to put this on the stove top. We're going to cook this like regular rice, and that'll be for like 15 to 20 minutes. And what I'm going to do with this is, have it medium high until it starts to boil. As soon as it starts to boil, we'll turn it down to a low simmer and put a lid on it. All right, my liquid is starting to boil. So, I'm going to add a little bit let's add a little bit of salt, like maybe quarter teaspoon. Cover, and then turn down to a simmer. I'll put the timer on 15 minutes, and we'll just check back and make sure there's enough liquid still in there. But it should cook for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so when my rice was done, I turned the heat off, left it covered, let it sit for about 5 minutes. I'll fluff this up a little bit with a fork. I'll just make one little serving bowl. And I like mine with a little bit, I got some slivered almonds. Sprinkle a little bit on there. Adds a little crunch to it, it's kind of nice. And then for the final little tropical taste, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lime. Not too much, I think. I just want to offset a little bit of the sweetness. And then top with a little bit of fresh cilantro. There we have it. Now, actually, what I wanted to do is top it with, if you have some toasted coconut flakes, it really gives it a nice little flavor and a little bit of a crunch also. I can't find it. I don't know what happened to my toasted coconut, but I I would definitely add that because that gives it a nice, good final touch too. All right. Yeah, that's good. Actually, I like that little bit of lime juice at the end there. Kind of takes away a little, the sweetness. A little bit of crunch of the almonds. Yeah, this was good. And as I was putting things away, I found my toasted coconut flakes. So let's sprinkle a little bit of those on there. Yeah, doesn't that give it a nice little bit better of a color? So now let's taste it. Yeah, adds a little bit more coconut flavor, that's great. So I'm glad I found those. So there you have it. A little bit of tropical rice with coconut water and pineapple juice. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Foodie right over there. And thank you for watching.